Hi everyone. One of the things I really like about Adobe Express is that I can use it to schedule my social media posts, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, or X, whatever you want to call it. People still say tweet, don't they? No one says I'm going to do an X. Anyway, this is great because if you use Adobe, you've got this for free and you can sign up to Adobe Express for free as well. So this is really good because a lot of these schedulers, you've got to pay good money to do this. So this will allow me to do a post that can go out to multiple different social media accounts. If I've got, say, 2 Instagram accounts, I can make it go out to there as well. I can duplicate it as well, so I can copy that across. Now, there's only one thing I noticed that was a little bit frustrating with this, and that is when I did it out to Instagram, it wanted it in a square format. So stick around and I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So let's take a look here. I'm going to use it here on my iPad, but you can do this on your smart device, your smartphone, or on your computer. Now, if you're doing this on your smartphone, and I use an iPhone, I have to go to menu and choose schedule. Whereas here on the iPad, you'll see it down the left-hand side here, which would be the same if you're using it on your desktop. And I can just tap on schedule. And there's a calendar straight away in there. They've filled out some bits already with industry news and some tips here from someone called Rachel. You can see I've done a couple of posts here and they've worked really well. I've put them out to Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to actually manage your connections. So you need to set them up. Now, I've got them set up here on my device so that when I connect, it knows to do that, but you might just need your login details. So let's just take a look. I'm going to tap here on Manage Connections. And you see I've got my Instagram set up. I've actually got more than one Instagram account, so I could do another one there. And you can see I've done it for LinkedIn as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to set up this one here for Twitter. All I have to do is tap on Connect here. So let's just do that. And it's going to go through this process. I've got Twitter on here, so it's going to actually ask me to sign in. So let me just sign in here. Sign into X. And my password, which I'll get to fill in here. And I'm going to get a code. So I'm not going to show you what that code is. Okay, so I had to get a backup code. I found that on my X account, and you can look it up in your security and privacy settings there. I can now go to return to Adobe Express, and there I am. I'm connected to my Twitter account. And as you can see below that, it's got add new on each of these, so I can have multiple accounts. So what I can do now, let's just close that, go to the X in the top corner, and I can now do a post. I'm going to just tap on new. Let's do a new post. I could do a draft post, but let's do a new post. And you'll see here, first thing you can do is select channels. So I can choose to put one out on X. I can choose to put it onto my Instagram and also on my LinkedIn. So I can choose all of those. I'm just going to do this one on X. So we're going to see how that goes. Now, what I can do here, you'll see I've got the option here to add a caption and description, and I can use generative AI here as well. I can add a picture in here, so I'm going to go and do that in just a second, but you can see just below here it's got schedule, publish now, set as a draft, and I can tell it what time I want to do that. So I can choose here, I can tap here, and I can just put in the date. I'm going to leave it as today's date. And the time, well, let's do it for another 20 minutes from now. So let's just do that. So I've got that. So I'm going to add a picture in here. I'm going to choose Browse. I'm going to go to My Device. So if I tap on Browse on your device, I can go to my photo library, take photo or video, or choose a file from my Files app. So let me go to my photo library. I've got some YouTube thumbnails. I want to promote one of my videos here. So let me do this one on create your own action figure. I don't know if you've tried that, but that is fun. I'm going to add it, upload. And now I'm going to type in what I want here, which is want to create, let's change that, want to turn yourself into an action figure. Let me just paste in the link. Let's just take this extra bit out here. Now I could add in my hashtags, but just for the speed of doing this, I'm just going to do this and I can preview it. That's what it's going to look like. I'm happy with that. And I can now schedule it. So let's just tap on schedule. Okay, so let me just tap on this and you'll see it's got it all in here. This is fine. I've got 3 dots down at the bottom here. If I tap on that, I can delete it. But what I could potentially do is duplicate it, schedule that. I should have picked another time, but guess what? I can just move it around to another day. Let's just drag it over to here. So there you go. That's how I can do that. Okay, so I want to show you what can happen on the Instagram version. If I go to new post, let me just go to Instagram here. So I've got that. As I said, I can do more than one channel. I'm just going to browse. I'm just going to add this picture in here of the moon that I've got. This was actually at an exhibition. It's not the real moon. Tap on upload. It's uploading. Can take a little time. Now you see I've got a bit of a problem here with this one. It didn't happen when I tried this on landscape ones, but it's certainly come up here as a problem when I've done it in portrait, and it wants me to do a square post. Now I did turn this into a square version, which is okay, but let me do this a different way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close that. I'm going to home, and you'll see here one of my options along here is Instagram square post. Let me just tap on that. So what I'm going to do is add some media here. So let me tap on media down the side, upload from my device. I'm going to my photo library again. There it is. Let me tap on that to add it. And there we go. What it's done now is it's put it into a square post, so I can resize it. It'll have this border around the outside. So from here, what I can do is I can schedule it from here. So I don't have to be in the scheduler itself. All I have to do is at the top here, tap on share. I could share it directly to Instagram, Facebook, and so on, or I could just tap here on schedule. And if I do that, I've now got my options. I can choose more than one, but let's just leave it on Instagram. I'm quite happy with that. Now I'm not getting the warning, and I can now type in what I want here, and I can put in down the bottom here the time I want to schedule that for. So I can then preview it. There we go, that's what it looks like. And I could then tap on schedule right here. So there you are. That's how you can schedule your social media posts using Adobe Express. And the great thing is, if you've got an Adobe account, it's free to use, and that could save you a bit of money, and also convenient to go and get yourself noticed out there as well. And I've shown you how you can get around the problem of if you've got particularly a portrait picture and trying to schedule it in Instagram using the scheduler. It's not a problem if you're using it directly in Instagram. It's just when you do it through here. So maybe Adobe might fix that. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please do like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more.